if you have a 3D printer, you can help make face shields for medical professionals. If you'd like to know more, take a look at the links in the description.
Hi there.
This video is part of a build log series. I'm building motorized shoes that you'll wear while you play a virtual reality game that keep you in the same spot as you walk, like a treadmill, allowing you to walk infinitely in the game. For now, I call them VR shoes, or Omni shoes. In the last video, I put the shoe mostly together. I found that the CNC didn't drill many of the holes in the correct spot, so I let the CNC cut out another piece, 3D printed a stencil, and then drilled the holes myself. I put all of the components on the new platform, added some additional components, added the electronics, wrote a program to control the shoe with a web API, and wrote an app that uses that API. I'll show you all of that now. I stepped on the thing, turned it on, and tested if it could move me. What I found was this happened. The one on the right is what the sprocket's supposed to look like. This is the piece that goes through, and then you see this one. Because of the weight, because of the strain it was under, it actually tore through the plastic and made a circle. So that didn't work. My plan to fix that is to combine these pieces. So these go on like that. And right now they're two separate pieces, but if I combine them, it should make the sprocket stronger so that stripping can't happen. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you feel like it. Stay safe. See you next time.